Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple steps to add music to your Facebook profile picture. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your account. Press on three dots. Click on search. Press on music. Now press on plus icon. Now select your song and press on these three dots. Now press on save audio. That's it. So this is the simple step to add music to your Facebook profile picture. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.